Starting off with a fresh face, just doing my makeup, going for a simple fall look. I like how subtle it looks. Next, we are on to deciding what to wear. Usually it takes me about 10 to 20 minutes to decide. Picked out this brown blazer. I think it looks good. Just like every day, it's a nice day to meet Kashish. As usual, forgot my mask because masks are a ridiculous idea. Look how I'm struggling to put one. But I think we're good to go. There she is. Let's grab some coffee because why not? Just going to this cafe which actually reopened in our town after COVID. They have a very simple yet a calming vibe, and that's why we like it. Plus, there is a little view of our city. We just ordered some coffee because she's just very much into Americano these days.
Yeah, I like the bitter taste of it. Don't understand why people judge it when you like Americano.
People is me.
Hear it.
She will separate them.
Alright.
And now we're off to a bar just to sit and chill for a bit. It's a lot of climbing. Not exactly a lot, but I think it's 300 to 400 meters from Mall Road, which is fine. The best part is that no one is there except for us. So I like that. The view is beautiful.
Amazing!
I absolutely adore spending time in nature and isolation. It's like therapy. It is therapy. Before we bid our goodbyes for today, we stopped by at this little restaurant to get something. As the day wraps, it's time to go home, recording and praying at the same time that I don't get stabbed by some strange creep or whatsoever. A normal day in a girl's life. Here we are, home. I had a really nice time today. Just grateful for everything. See you next time. Bye.